Hey guys, so we're doing a toy trading. So this is all my toys.
And this is all my toys.
And this is her toys.
Yeah.
We'll see what can we get from this trade.
I'm not gonna trade my tickets. And my mom is too shy to show her face.
Okay, so we'll do the trading. First, I will trade my horse.
I'll trade my jelly toy. And
One more, don't like that.
this.
Yes. Set. Okay, I will take
This
it.
is a part of it.
That's yours.
Yeah.
I'll trade my car. That's a nice car, sports car with a purple.
I'll take this cute little girl.
Hi. Hi, cutie. That's so small. Oh, I like Mickey Mouse. Hi,
I'll
Mickey
trade
Mouse.
this.
Oh, dinosaur. Oh, yeah. I will trade also this. That's too much.
Except
Trade accepted. Wow. She's been scammed. Next, I want to trade. Who's this? Yes.
I don't know. I'll trade this cooking thing. The
Oh, I
shotgun.
trade that. Oh, that's gone. That's nice.
And the
A
open and close
shotgun.
pen.
This is Nerf gun.
And the open and close pen.
Oh. Oh, yes. What
Except
else? Okay, we'll include this and this. Wait, is this Shelby?
it's a part of the
Hi.
little girl.
Oh, she's so cute. Big eyes, and she's singing. And I think she like this for her hair. Okay, so I think the trading accepted. Oh, what did you get on the trading, Jill? Could you show it?
I
So nice.
got this one, this one, this one, and this one.
Are you happy on your toy trading?
Yeah,
Would you do it again?
probably. But let's keep on going. But I'll do part 2 in my next video. Bye guys!